Why? Hi, Lucy. How are you? I am here. How are you doing, Lucy? Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for coming in, Lucy. That's my mommy, guys. That's my mom, our Gigi, that does all the cooking. That's our Gigi. Ooh, guys. No, sir, my feet hurt. I don't know how long I can do this for. It's serious. It's rough. Walking and taking the bus is no joke. In 90 degrees, 97 degrees. No, sir. It's no joke. It's hot. My whole body. No, sir. Mm-mm. God bless the people who do it every day. Mm-mm. Summer is not here yet, and I've had enough of this heat. It used to be so easy to walk. Now it's hard. Hmm. Hey Lucy, how you doing, Lucy? I'm just testing out this green room, you know? 'Cause I don't know what's the problem. I go on everybody's live, they're doing like 80 and 100 people watching picture. What is the problem with mine? You know what? I think it's because of my profile picture. I need to change my profile picture to something different. Maybe the picture of what can fit there? The city or something? City of Los Angeles? I need to change it. What can I change my profile picture to? A princess? I don't know. I gotta change it though, because I think people think it's. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, guys, if you're here. Peace and love. Spread love. Be kind. And share. I heard someone phone ringing and it says, well, affairs of the heart. I'm so tired. I need to win the lotto. For real. Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin to me. What's this over my profile? I want to know my chart. I don't know what it is in that book. Mm. Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. See? Hi, Cooking with Maud. How are you? Thanks for coming. How you doing? I saw you. You were viral a while ago. Yeah, I saw you. You were viral. Did you end your life? I saw you over there. Everybody was pretty much viral except me. What did I do? I'm trying to find out what in the world did I do to YT. Yeah. I went to Hazel Eyes, and Hazel Eyes was viral too. I went to several people, and I said, wait, everybody's viral except me. That was so weird. So weird. Mhm. Yes, yes, one day. Exactly. Yeah. I'm patient. Thank you, thank you. I like to just joke around with it and say, oh, what did I do? What did I do? I don't get mad and get all, oh, I'm so mad nobody come to my life. Nobody did. No, 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 I don't do that. I just enjoy it. I just think it's fun. I just think it's fun. I've had good days and bad days. It's just what it is. It is what it is. Everybody, they got to share out, you know, who they want to go live to, viral today, who they want to go, you know. It's all a system thing, I think. Yeah, just a system thing they have. I guess the AI must be an AI thing. Maybe the AI just don't pick me up. Just like how I'm trying to get in this website that I applied for a job and it won't let me in. I just want to see the status of the application. And it keeps saying all kinds of stuff. Mm, mm. It's very hot here. Cooking with Maud is very hot. Is that Juba? Juba, and Cooking with Maud. Thank you so much for coming. Hey, hey, how you doing? It's hot here, Juba. It's hot. It's hot. Cooking with Maud. I am telling you, 97 degrees is hot. Trust me, hot. Hot till my feet hurt. Hot until my feet hurt. Trying to turn it off. I heard the echo. Yes, Juba, how you doing? What's for dinner, Juba? What's for dinner? Guess what I saw? I saw that Amazon tiny homes reach Jamaica. I saw people shipping them there. I thought of it when I saw Amazon making the tiny homes because I'm in love with the tiny homes for years now. I say I want one, and People are like, no, the tiny home can't go to Jamaica because there's hurricane. I bet you not. The tiny homes are now in Jamaica. They're now in Jamaica. The Amazon tiny homes. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube. Yeah, Amazon tiny homes are now in Jamaica. Yeah, and people thought they couldn't get they no one would want them there because of the hurricane. Huh. I just want a piece of land now, Juba, in Jamaica. I want a piece of land in the bushes, the forests, and I look a tiny home. Oh my goodness, and just relax there every day. Wow. And only eat what's grown, my little fruits, my little veggies. Hmm. Life will be sweet. People don't know the blessing they have until somebody else. Good. Tell you. Mhm. Cooking with Maud says hi, Juba. Hi, Juba. Cooking with Maud is saying hi. Yeah, you doing good? That's good. That's good, Juba. Yeah, you gotta check out the Amazon houses on YouTube. They're now in Jamaica. No joke. They are now in Jamaica. So guys, make sure you check it out. I bring from to oh, rocking my fan. Lucy. Hello, good night to each and everyone in the house. We're here. Juba is saying hello, good night. Guys, connect with each other. While you're here, just go visit each other. Go visit each other home and say hi. You know, support each other. Newest upload. Use your handle to do that. Yeah. Check on each other. Then for sale. Everybody's doing landscaping now because it's summertime. All you hear is the weed whackers and the lawnmowers at the window. That's all you hear. How beautiful do you like Gladysville? Nice and cool. The spur tree is a very quiet place to live. Oh, I've never heard of this place. I've never heard of it. Never heard of it. I've never heard of it. Oh, that's the square feet. Oh my goodness, a million. Mm, 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 mm. And thank you guys so much for coming, Juba. Thank you so much. What you been up to? I haven't seen you. I used to see you real often, but now I don't see you that often. I don't know if because I'm always at work, but I don't see you that often anymore. I don't. Hmm. Good. I'm hanging in there. See? Thank you guys for clicking on the live. Please double tap your screen so we can grow those likes. Please double tap and subscribe if you haven't been to our channel. You can watch our new uploads, but subscribe. Do the do before Scooby Doo gets you. Just double tap the screen. You know what I found, Juba, at the dollar store? They have you. I don't know if you know fudge in Jamaica, the vanilla fudge. I just realized why our ice cream tastes so good. I think because we have coconut in there or something. Because this fudge that I bought at the dollar store, it's coconut and it tastes just like the Jamaican fudge. Tastes so good. Oh my goodness. I found a secret in the dollar store. It's the vanilla fudge. It's so good. I'm like, Oh, maybe that's why I like the Jamaican stuff because it's a little bit creamier. I guess they use coconut. Mm-mm. Juba, did you see any ads when you came in? Or Cooking with Maud, are you still here? I don't even know. Feet hurt, Juba. Walking to the bus stop is no joke. I need a more comfortable shoes. No way. Rogers Killer. Hello from Kenya. Africa. Africa is in the house. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you so much for coming to the live. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and hang out with us. You can hang out with us. I'm just chilling here. I am in bed. I am tired from a long day at work. So I'm just telling you, just chilling, chilling, chilling. Greetings I bring from Jah to all. No problem, no problem. You can connect with Juba. Go over and introduce yourself over there. And Cooking with Maud. Yeah. Cooking with Maud was here. Let's see who. And Dwayne was here. All the people in chat, you could go to their homes and come back. Go to each person home, come back each time, and yeah. So you can, let them know you connect with them so they can come back and check you out. Mm-hmm. You're welcome. I'm just tired. Tired from walking to the bus and walking when I get off the bus. Ooh, my feet hurt. And it's 97 degrees. Oh, I'm going not this weekend. Next weekend, I am going to get my hair done, a facial, a pedicure, everything. I'm so tired. Oh, my feet hurt. Greetings I bring from Jah to all. Yes, I can't wait. I can't wait. I wish I could do it this weekend, not next weekend. I can't wait to do it. My feet is just crying for help. Just getting my poor little feet. How is Kenya today? Are you having rain or are you guys having rain there? Ow! Oh, that person said they went live for 10 hours and made what? 1,500 watch hours. Really? Wow. Yes. Mm-mm. Thank you for being here, Roger. Roger's killer. You know, I went on someone's. I went to someone home on Whitey this morning, and they were doing hunting. They were hunting crocodiles, and they literally had a crocodile, and they were skinning the crocodile, and they were showing you how to wash the crocodile off. I shared it on my post because I thought it was very interesting. Yeah, where the guy was taking the skin off the crocodile. I'm like, oh my God, we humans are really crazy. How could you do that? There's no way I could do that. No way. No way I could do that. Skinning a crocodile? I don't even want to see the thing. they, those crocs and alligators, they're too bad. They like to eat people. Mm-mm. No, I'm okay. Sweet, sweet. Let me sing my song. Sweet. How did my song go? Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Now left ya. Aki and banana. Now left ya. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. I keep trying to find this cheap land that they say they have in Jamaica. I cannot find one cheap land. I'm Googling, no cheap land there. They be making up stories. USA, Rogers. I am in USA. But you see, it said Jamaica is my heart, but America is my home. Yeah, I am in the great USA because they're making USA great again, right? Isn't that what it says? Make America great again. That's where I am. I'm making America great again. Yeah, I'm making America great again in my bed. Juba is here. Juba, connect with Rogers. Support each other. Rogers from Kenya. Yes, I'm making America great again, Rogers. Oh my goodness. Song go. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, na left ya, Aki and banana. Sing with me. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, na left ya, Aki and banana. That's all I know. Oh gosh. Let me okay, let me sing it for you now. I'm gonna find it. Let me tell the AI to find the song. Everything is AI now, guys. You better get with it. You better get with the AI. There you go. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love we aki and we sawfish, we not left ya. Soft yam and banana, we not left ya. And me big flour don't play, me not left ya. Oh, for a year now. That's awesome. Yes. Yes, for a year now. Yeah, that's about the same time as me. Yeah, about a year now. Juba and I have been friends. But he used to be off on he used to be here more often. He getting busy. Yeah, he's not here as much as he used to be. Yeah. Fitzroy is here. Oh, Fitzroy, I was just talking about Grenada. I was just talking about the crocodile, how he skinned the crocodile, and first they washed the crocodile. I watched the video. They kill the crocodile and they wash it with soap and then they skin it. I was watching the video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for returning. You see, YT sent you back because I was talking about a crocodile in Grenada. Oh, God. Yes, yeah, I was just there talking about telling Rogers about the crocodile. They hunt the crocodile. Oh my goodness. And they skin it. They skin it. I couldn't do that. I don't. You have to be a different kind of human to do that. I cannot do that. I cannot do. I can't. I just can't. I just can't do that. I was singing this song by Mr. Vegas and I can't sing. I can't sing. Let me do it again because I'm not a singer. I cannot sing. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love we aki and we sawfish, we not left ya. Soft yam and banana, we not left ya. And me big flour don't play, not left ya. Oh, God. I don't know why I like that song, but I like it. What's my? There's another song by Admiral Bailey that I like. What is it again? Ting-a-ling-a-ling? No. Yeah, Admiral Bailey sang a song that I like. I don't remember what it was. I think is it You're Rich You? Said it. No, that's Buju Banton. I don't remember what. Let me look for Admiral Bailey song. Tell the AI to find Admiral Bailey song. Oh, you have hard green banana? We too. We do too. I was at work today and this lady was in the lunchroom and she said, "Oh, if I hold you tonight." Oh, I know that song too. The lady said, "Oh, I'm not gonna cook. My husband, he probably eating banana, yam, and dumpling." And I turned around to her. I said, "Where's your husband from? Because I know he's not eating no yam banana dumpling if he's American. And she said, he's Jamaican. He just came up from Jamaica. This is his first time. I was like, really? She said, yes, his first time here. I said, oh, cool. But it's so funny. She's talking about her husband, and I'm like, um, you said he's eating yam, dumpling, banana. You got to be Jamaica. You got to be. Or it's from some Caribbean, because I said, "What? Where's your husband from?" 'Cause I didn't know what island. If I hold you tonight, I know that song too. Yeah, I love green banana. Right now, I wish I had a land with a tiny home in Jamaica, or not Cayman. Cayman has a lot of iguanas and lizard, and no, I can't do it. I think they have more than Jamaica, and frogs. No, I think they have more than Jamaica. Grenada has a lot of iguanas too, right? Me too. I love old school music. Me too. Me too. I love old school music. Me, I did danger. Oh, yes, Admiral Bailey's song. Think me didn't done. Hold on. Okay, who has the best food? Grenada has the best food? I've never had a Grenadian dish. Never. Interesting. I've never seen a restaurant either in California that's from a Grenadian restaurant. No, I've never seen it. I'm gonna look it up to see if there's any Grenadian restaurant. Let's see. I've never seen one. You probably cook just like us. Most Caribbean countries cook the same. Grenadian. Let's see. Let's see if there's any. I know they have it in New York, of course. I searched Grenadian and they're showing me all Jamaican restaurants. That's funny. Haitian. Yeah, they don't have any. They don't have any. Mm. But I'm sure they cook just like us, because we're like most Caribbean countries cook the same thing. But some of us have a special delicacy. Like I know some people like conch. Do you guys eat conch? Oil down? Is oil down mackerel? Is oil down mackerel? We call that cook down like mackerel, salt mackerel. What's oil down? You need to make some of those foods so we can see them on YouTube. All down. Let me look it up. All down. Oh, AI showed me what all down is. It's a stew. It's the national dish of Grenada. It's a hearty one-pot meal made with breadfruit, salted meat, chicken veggies, dumpling, and coconut milk. Oh, it sounds good. Sounds nice. Yeah, sounds nice. Oh, so you guys eat breadfruit like us. See? Yeah, it's the national dish. I just saw it. Yeah, the AI told me. AI know everything. Yeah, that will be good with yeah. All them. I didn't know you guys eat breadfruit too. See? It's the same thing like us. Same thing. Yeah, it looks like it's good. It does look good. Look like you got some videos on it too. There's some videos out there on it. I've had a lot of Belizean food. Um, my grandson is in here playing with himself, clapping his hand and everything. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's only one and he's talking. Lovely, lovely ladies. Yeah, I've seen beautiful ladies from Grenada on the, is it one of those pageants? I've seen a beautiful lady from Grenada and I wanted her to win too. Yeah, that I will agree. I've seen beautiful ladies from Grenada. Definitely. Yes. This food look good though. It does look good. Yeah. But I'm not eating any crocodile. They eat a lot of crocodile there because I saw the crocodile. I saw the crocodile being skinned. I am not eating it. No. I refuse. No crocodile for me. Now he's playing with the door. He's opening, closing, opening, closing. You open that, Jay Sean. That wasn't him. Don't do it. What are you doing? Sweeping. Sweeping air. There's nothing there to sweep. Oh. That's good fish, Roy. It's good to see another person from a Caribbean country that loves their place, you know. So what was that? Alligator I saw. There was a guy from Grenada that was doing the alligator. Let me go look at it. It should be on my. I posted so I wouldn't lose it. I think he's from Grenada. You know what video I'm talking about? Isn't it? The guy that was doing? Let me go look. Enjoy your night, guys. Oh, it's morning there. Oh, you're going to work now? You have a wonderful day at work. Rogers, be blessed. I'll check your home. Actually, I'm going to check it before I go off. That's what I'm going to do. Check everybody's home. Oh, you feel so? You think it's not real? Let me go look. I really posted it this morning. Let's go look. It looked real. Cause the guy is a hunter. I think it's Grenada. Let me see. And I was like, what the heck? Let's see. Yeah. What you putting in here?
Slippers.
Mine?
Yeah, Zane had it.
Oh, Zane had it. Close the door for me, please. Yeah, close it with the lock so you won't come. Let me see. Let me find that post. Sweet Jamaican. I sworn it was Grenada, and that's. Oh, maybe it's not Grenada. Hold on, let's see. Himalayan village. Cause he was even washing the crocodile. I always call them both the same name. He washed it with soap. Let's go find this guy. Oh, no crocodile. Really? Really? Well, you have snakes. Oh my God. I didn't know that. So let's see where this video is. Maybe it's another. Maybe it's not Grenada. Because I thought it was amazing that he just found it so cool to skin the crocodile. So that means it wasn't Grenada. I don't know where this guy was then. Woo! Where? Oh, so no crocodiles there. Oh, that's amazing. They have crocodiles in Jamaica because, oh, it was an alligator. And where's this alligator? Bees hunting wildlife. Where were you, Mr. Bees? Where is he from? Let me see.
Just come to take a look of it before we start cleaning it, as in skinning it. So here is it.
Let me see where. Oh my God, it's an alligator. That's even worse. Because I just thought it was amazing. Let me see if I can read this description. Oh, you're right. He's from Guyana. Yeah, busy hunting. You're right, Fitzroy. He's from Guyana. So Guyana has them. He's from Guyana, Guyana is in South America, right? Guyana, South America. They always quick like whenever I meet someone from Ghana, they always say, "No, we're not in the Caribbean. We're in South America." Oh, you mean my cousin? I have a cousin that his mom is from Grenada. Oh, I could ask him. I still need to catch up with him. Let me go. Yeah, my he was born here, but his mom is from Grenada. Yeah, yes, it's Guyana. Guyana. Guyana, it is. Oh, that's good to know you guys don't have any crocodile. So this is what they're doing in Jamaica, right? Jamaica government hired this man from Australia, I think. His videos on YouTube too. It's a white guy. They hired him for him to breed crocs in Jamaica. So he has a crocodile farm in Jamaica. And when they reach certain age, he lets them loose on the island. I don't understand why they let him do this, but they said they need the crocs for the ecosystem. So that's why they're raising crocodiles there and letting them loose over the island. I don't get it, but okay. No wonder people disappearing. Lots of oil down. That's what the American comes. Mass and order. Oh, okay. Okay. I've heard of the Grenadian Carnival. We have Carnival here in California and in Georgia. I've been to both, and Florida. I've been to three carnivals here, three different states. Yeah. I'm sure that food is good. It looks good. I just saw it on the internet. It looks good. So it's Guyana. This guy, he was skinning the the alligator. You sound like you do love your country. See, if I didn't have an option. And, I was a minor when my parents migrated from Jamaica. But I'm telling you right now that if it was an option for me as an adult, my option would be Jamaica. But right now, I don't have a choice. I was raised here. I don't have property in Jamaica and all that stuff. I would love to. That's why I'm searching and I'm trying to see how I can save and get a little piece of land there and, have a little tiny home there. But I agree with you for loving your country because that's how I am. When I go to Jamaica, I don't want to leave. I'm literally crying that I have to go back to this. Yeah, I agree with you. We should love. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yep. Yes. Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, that's how it go. Such is life, but we're not gonna let they stress us and let us live in fear. Yeah, but yeah. If I was you, I would love, trust me, My dad just passed last year on April Fool's Day. I can't forget that date. I guess that's why God made him pass on that day. Yeah. And I asked him, but he had Alzheimer's, so I couldn't really. I don't know if he understood, but it sounded like he did. I said, Daddy, why did you. Do you think you made the right decision coming here? And he was like, back then. That's what he said. He said, back then it was the right decision, but now, no. So that's what he said. He had Alzheimer's. So I was just having conversation with him, and I said, yeah, maybe back then it looked good, like a great idea, but it's really not, Daddy. That's what I told him. I said, it's a bad idea, Daddy. Daddy, you left a beach home for this? I was laughing. I was laughing with him. You're good. Grenada? I never even been there. How am I gonna choose there? Yeah, I'm gonna have to come there. Oh, and your dad at 69? Was it recently? Did they just pass? My condolences. Oh, did they just pass? Both of them. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I could. Oh Lord, life with it's hard losing your parents. I just never thought I would live my life without a parent. I just never thought of it until my dad got sick. I'm like, oh wow, this is what was supposed to happen. I didn't even know. Yeah, I was. Oh, your mom and my dad a year ago too. Yeah. My condolences. It's hard. It's hard losing your loved ones. It's very hard. Especially when you were, active in their lives. Whew, it's not good. Oh, wow. Both of them so close. Oh, my. That's scary. But your mom lived a good, long life. That's great. 93 is awesome. So, wait a minute. Your mom was older than your dad? Your mom was way. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, your mom. Your mom was older than your dad. Wow. Well, your mom lived a long time, blessed life. Yeah. 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 What was Grenada in the news for the once? Something was happening in Grenada the other day. Was it something? Something was happening. Something about Grenada. I tell you. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. How is she doing? That's just amazing. Yeah, they have a good genes right there. Awesome genes. She probably didn't stress about anything. We live in a stressful life here. That's awesome. She probably didn't stress like how we stress here, you know? Yeah, Grenada. I gotta check Grenada out. I will. When everything calmed down here, we'll start traveling again. Definitely. Grenada will be on our list. Especially since they don't have Crocs. But they have iguana though, right? What do they have? Sure, they got iguana. 10 years ago. The van went into a house. Oh my goodness! That's bad. The driver lost his head. Wow! Did he have seatbelts on? No, probably not. Oh my goodness! Whew! What a horrible accident! The heck? Was he speeding? Hey, Capital. D, hi. How you doing? How you doing, guys? How you doing? We're here talking about Grenada. Fitzroy is from Grenada. So he's telling us all the great things. All the great things in Grenada, but they had an accident. That's a horrific accident, Fitzroy. I can't even imagine. He had to be speeding. He had to be speeding. My goodness, that's horrific. That's horrific. I'm good. I got home a couple hours ago from work, and I'm telling you, my body's in pain. My feet hurts. One more day to go. One more day to go. Yeah. Fitzroy lost both his parents, and it's recent. I was there talking to him and didn't realize it was so recent. I was like, is this recent? And when he said yes, a year and 8 months, I was like, whoa, you're still grieving right now, like me. Sometimes I'm good, and then sometimes when I think about my dad, what I wish I could have done, and all those stuff, then I start. And the van, he had to be speeding, or the brakes went out on him. Maybe he had bad brakes or something. Wow, that's very crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I hear that a lot. That people say, when my dad was sick and he was dying because his Alzheimer's, it took a while, and people were like, his life, his life. I'm like, it's life. Why do you say that? I just couldn't face losing my parent because my dad looked so great. You would think he was 50, and he looked so handsome. I have his videos out. You can see it. He's very handsome, but his brain, the Alzheimer's took his brain. It was so painful. Yeah, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. I saw the baby. Oh, you're. Oh, the driver. You think the driver of the bus was it was heart attack that went in the house, that drove into the house. Oh, that sounds like it. Yeah, and speeding. That's more like it. Wow. Yeah, yeah, that sounds like it. My ex mother in law, I remember she was driving to work and she had a heart attack a long time ago. And I was like, what? I was at work and they called me to tell me that she was at the hospital. I'm like, what? I just left her this morning. We just said goodbye to each other. And they were like, she's doing fine. She's still alive. She's doing fine, but she had a heart attack while driving. But she was able to, pull over. Yes, exactly. Definitely, I agree. Life should be amazing while you have it, and not be so stressful. Facebook. Don't give me copyright, YT. Yes, I do agree. I definitely agree. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely need to enjoy every moment because you just don't know what's next. Definitely. I agree. As a tour operator? Oh, okay. Oh, I went on a cruise last year, July. It's gonna be a year. And I did not enjoy that cruise. It's not for me. I feel confined on a cruise ship. I feel confined. I like to be at a hotel where I can decide if I want to go outside, do this. But when you're on these cruise ships, you just stuck. You stuck out there. Oh, so you meet a lot of tourists. You meet a lot of people. You meet a lot of people for joy. That's what we'll do. A Caribbean island tour. Cruise. I'll ask my cousin. She likes to cruise, but I'm not really a fan of it, and I don't like these small. No, I just don't like it. I did not like the cruises. Oh, good. I didn't like the food. I just don't see the big deal. I like lamb. I like being on land. Ah, you do. That's awesome. That's awesome. Fitzroy said, I love to interact with people. Yeah. That's why I said, yeah, working with the tourists, you'll meet a lot of people. Hmm. Yeah. Grenada. We'll visit Grenada. I'll definitely visit Grenada and give you a call when we go in. I'll come on YT and say, Fitzroy, we're coming to your island. Yeah, me too. I was not having fun. Whew, no. Mm-mm. And people just walking around and they're wet and, oh no, that is not for me. No, give me land. Mm. Like I say, give me a tiny home in the bush. I'm fine. Yes, I have WhatsApp. I do have WhatsApp. I do. I do have WhatsApp. I sure do. Let me see how I can do it. Oh, I know how to do it. Uh, there you go. uh, I used to use Facebook, but I don't really use my Facebook anymore. I just go on it to see if something happens or something. I'll announce over there, someone birthday or someone passed or something. Yeah, but I think we have outgrown Facebook. Really, I'm mostly on YT. I'm always on YT. Always on YT. Yep. You see the numbers? Oh, they didn't show you the numbers? I know sometimes they hide the number. But I wrote it like in the chat right where I deleted it. Okay, tell me if you see these numbers. You see that number? From Jamaican Butterfly Off Grid. Are you able to see those 3 digits? Sometimes they don't show the numbers when we enter it. I don't know why they don't. Oh, you see it? The 914, you see that number? Uh-huh. 7-1. Okay. And then 5-7-1. And then yeah, my mom have a lot of Belizean friends, but we don't. I don't think we have any Grenadian friends. I asked my mom. My mom has a lot of friends. There are the numbers. You got 914 first, then 571, And then 8-1. 8-1. Got it good. Yes. I gotta tell my cousin about Grenada. And we gotta go. But yeah, but I think wasn't Savage Art Kitchen. They went on a cruise. I think they went to Grenada. I'll check it out if that's where they went, because they had a video there too on their cruise. They went to several islands, and one of the islands had an iguana. And the iguana was huge. Huge. Awesome. Yeah, just save it. Yep. What time is it? 9? Well, I've been here for, what, 2 hours? About 2.5 hours. Yeah, that's a lot. It's good enough. Didn't get rid of it. It's all good. I'm going to bed early tonight because I'm tired. Well, thank you for coming in, Fitzroy. Thank you. I appreciate you. Come back again. I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. And stay safe. Thank you. Yes, it's my bedtime too. Have a blessed night. Thank you. Bye bye.